How's my hair, folks? Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. I'm all packed up. This video is brought to you today by H2O. Remember, folks, you go and get H2O and use the discount code Waterloo. H2O, folks. Good for you. These guys that set the boats down here, they drive their four-wheelers down here by me, and they're like they own the place. They come right by my camp. I'm like,
hi, if you like my videos, please click the bell so you can be notified. And come back often because I have new videos every week.
I'm minding my own business over here, and one guy the other day cut right across all our vehicles. Just unbelievable, folks. I'm spinning a little bit. I don't know if I can make it up this hill. I may have to stay here after all. Come on, baby. Over there, it's going to be so much quieter. Hopefully I can make it there. Everything is falling. Okay, so far I'm making it. I still have quite a few miles to go until I get over there. Alright, folks, don't ask me about my hair, because I don't really care, you know. What I care is that I came here. I wasn't going to come because it's a lot of work taking everything apart. I usually move somewhere else. I wasn't going to come here, but I'm glad I finally did, because, listen, I don't hear any generators running, four-wheelers and off-road vehicles going around. I hear the water, the wind, my flag, and I hear Paigey over there. Paigey, what are you talking about there, Paigey? Time for a night. I'm losing it, folks. I am. My script. It's all my script's fault. Whoever wrote the script didn't. It's time for another pizza in the desert, folks. Yes, it seems like all I do is eat. And, you know, everybody has to eat. We all need to eat at some time, at some point. This is, look how beautiful that is. I mean, look at all the It's the beautiness, folks. Look at the beautiness. It's beautiful. This beautiful beautiness is so beautiful that it's bubbling up with joy. Today I'm going to do it a little bit differently. So today I'm going to shape it into my skillet, cast iron skillet, and I'm going to oil it first. And I'm hoping that starting the pizza with a cold skillet will work okay. I'm thinking it will, because once I put the coals underneath and on top on the lid, this thing heats up pretty quick. So let's see what happens, folks. First thing I got to do here is get some oil ski. I'm going to oil this thing nicely, and then I'm going to shape it in here, and in about an hour I'm going to be cooking it. I was going to do it earlier, start the fire early, but it's been so windy that yeah, how's my hair? My hair okay? I don't care. Do you think I care? I don't care. My hair is, I can care less. I'm over here in the desert by myself. I got Paigey over here, but I don't care about my hair. It is what it is. But here we go, folks. Getting a little oil. Quite a bit of oil, actually. Not just a little bit, but you know, you don't want to just drown the always getting interrupted. Unbelievable. Yeehaw. This is good exercise too, folks. Are you focusing on me, dummy? Oh, I hope this is okay, because Spielberger forgot to focus, folks. If this is not in focus, it's not my fault. 1 second. Is this better? I am so sorry. Spielberger needs to be fired, folks. He needs to be fired. I'm doing all this high production, all these wasted words for nothing. It's unbelievable, folks. Unbelievable. So in case you didn't hear me correctly before, because the whole thing was out of focus, I'm doing pizza again. Look at this beauty, folks. This is an absolutely... It's been doing its thing for about over 24 hours at this point. So it's perfect. Look at that. And it comes right off. Look at that. Oh yeah. It's a beauty. Alright folks, that's it. Just like that. Look at that. Now I'm gonna let it rise for about an hour or so. I gotta cover it. Now it's nice and covered, and I'm gonna put it away, and then hopefully we shall have a nice pizza. Look at that beauty. This is the most beautiful pizza I've made so far. Look at this. Look at the bottom.
That looks so good.
Like a beautiful dip dish. Yeah! This is so delicious. I don't have any words for it. You're going to have to try it one day. It's one giant step for mankind. What?
Yeah, it's not that.
Oh, sorry, folks. What was I? It had been a beautiful evening the previous evening, and it was a beautiful day today, until I decided to go to...
Yes, this is much better.
Was
It's good.
more...
Stupid is outside.
Don't worry about him. He's fine. He's good over there.
Stupid.
Let me do my thing here, and
I'll edit the edits.
until I decided to go for a beautiful motorcycle ride, and that's when things started to go wrong, folks.
I should be filming this. This is good job. Good job.
Well, I'm a little bit in a pickle. Let's see if I can get out of this one. Yeah, I'm El Stucco. Alright, let's give it another shot. So close. That was stupid. Let's try again. Whew. Come out. Come on. Ah. Wow. It's too much off-roading, folks. Too much off-roading for this motorcycle. My hand is like vibrating from all the vibration. Too much time in first gear. And when I lost control up there, I took the wrong line. That's why I lost control. It happens, you know, but everything's okay. I was able to get out of it, so cool.
For it was fitting for us to have such a high priest, holy, innocent, undefiled, separated from sinners and exalted above the heavens, who does not need daily, like those high priests, to offer up sacrifices, first for his own sins and then for the sins of the people, because this he did once for all, when he offered up himself. For the law appoints men as high priests who are weak, but the word of the oath, which came after the law, appoints a Son, made perfect forever. Hebrews 7:26-28.